Magic Rings. Magic Rings set is the newest and most innovative system of rings and O-rings assembly for the dry suit, which provides maximum comfort for divers, before, during, and after the dive. Magic Rings are a multifunctional tool. So by buying one product, you receive several different great solutions. Even if you have a system that does not require the use of rings, our Magic Rings will be a very useful tool in many diving situations, such as self-repair of a damaged seal, assembly of a dry glove with a seal, or facilitation of putting on a glove with an integrated seal. Magic Rings are multifunctional. It's one set but a number of different applications. Find out how fast and easy it is to use different parts of the Magic Ring set. Application 1. Facilitation of putting on a dry glove with an integrated seal. Put a small black O-ring into a middle incision of a small ring. Place a small ring inside a seal of a glove. Protect it with 2 O-rings, gray and yellow on both incisions of a ring. Leave a ring inside a glove. Put a rubber protective ring on the hole. Now you can put on a glove with an integrated seal by yourself, without help of other people. Application 2. Fixed assembly of a dry glove to a dry suit sleeve. Put a small black O-ring into a middle incision of a small ring. Place a small oval ring inside a sealed glue in a dry suit sleeve. Protect it with a gray or yellow O-ring on a first incision of a ring. Put a dry glove on a sealed prepared, as previously mentioned. Protect it with a gray or yellow O-ring on a second incision of a ring. Put a rubber protective ring on the hole. Application 3. Repair of a damaged seal. Put a small black O-ring into a middle incision of a small ring. Fold up a new, spare seal on a small ring. Protect it with a gray or yellow O-ring on the first incision of the ring. Place the seal prepared that way inside a damaged seal of a dry suit. Protect it with the second gray or yellow O-ring on the second incision of a ring. Put a rubber protective ring on the top. You have just fixed a damaged seal by yourself. You may go diving again. Application 4. Assembly of a dry glove with a seal by yourself. Put a small black O-ring into a middle incision of a small oval ring. Fold up the dry glove on a small oval ring. Adjust its length. Protect the glove with a gray or yellow O-ring on a first incision of a ring. Cut off excess of a glove in a way disabling overlap on a second incision of a ring. Put a seal, thin and conical is the best, on a glove prepared that way just to merely cover the end of a ring. Protect it with a gray or yellow O-ring on a second incision of a ring. Put a rubber protective ring on the hole. This application is possible both with a black as well as a blue dry glove. Application 5. Quick self-putting on gloves with an integrated seal. Fold up a glove seal outwards, a big oval ring from its thicker side in a way that its end will not get beyond the thin edge of a ring. This move makes a wide space to insert your hand into a glove with an integrated seal in an easy way. Put on the glove and pull the ring in the direction of the sleeve so that a seal could fall off the ring and clamp on your wrist. Take off the ring from your hand. Application 6. Assembly of a dry glove ring system. Put a small black O-ring into a middle incision of a small oval ring. Place a small oval ring inside a seal. Protect it with a right O-ring, gray for a thin seal or yellow for a thick HD seal on a first incision of a ring from the outside. Put a big black O-ring on a seal on a second incision of a ring from the outside. Put a dry glove on a big ring starting from a thinner side. Protect the dry glove with an O-ring on an incision of a big ring. Adjust the length of the glove, fold up its end and cut off its excess. Put a rubber protective ring on the glove prepared in this way. Both parts will connect with each other by pressing a ring with the glove onto a ring with the seal. See? How simple is that? Since now your preparations for diving will become faster and easier, and a broken seal will no longer be a barrier in diving. Dive with magic rings and enjoy no more limits and unexpected interruptions in exploring the world underwater. Make your diving easier and check us out at santidiving.com.